Hello students, myself Pushpalata Kadam from Samarpan Nyan School. Today we are going to study EVS Class 3 Chapter 8 Flying High. From the word flying, we understand that there are some animals which can fly. Some insects can fly. Insects like housefly, mosquitoes, butterfly, they can fly. Even honeybees can fly. Even birds can fly. So in this chapter we are going to study about birds, the different kinds of birds, their body structures, their beaks, their claws, and the type of food they eat. Okay, here there is something written about each bird. From this you have to identify the name of the bird. Okay, see the first one. On my head I have a crest. All day all say I dance the best. Of my feathers I am proud. Before the rain I cry aloud. So what is the meaning of crest? Crest means a comb-like structure or a tuft which is present on the head of the bird. See here, this is the crest. Okay, there is a crest on the head of this bird. It can dance the best. Of my feathers I am proud. It is proud of its feathers. See this. It has beautiful feathers. Before the rain I cry aloud, and before the rain it makes a loud sound. So which is this bird? It is a peacock. Okay. Next. Long and crude is my tail. High up in the sky I sail. I pick and eat all the mice. The dash is what you call me. So which is this bird? Can you identify this bird? It has a grooved tail. Grooved tail means there is a groove, that is a cut, a line. Okay, a line, that is a deep line which is present on the tail of this bird. So it is having a grooved tail. High up in the sky I sail. So it can fly at a very high distance in the sky. High up in the sky. Okay. I pick and eat all the mice, and it eats the mice. The dash is what you call me. So which is this bird? It is an eagle. Okay. Next. My feathers are green. My beak's red. Guava and green chili I am fed. I love to imitate people's voice and keep making a lot of noise. So see children, here you can see this bird. It has green feathers and its beak is red colored beak, and it eats guava and green chili. So people feed it with green chili and guava, and it loves to imitate people's voice. Imitate means it tries to copy people's voice. Okay, and I keep making a lot of noise, and it makes a lot of noise. So which bird it is? It is a parrot. Next, black are my feathers and black is my beak. Cow, cow, I do all day long. So its feathers are black and its beak is also black. See this. Its feathers are black and its beak is also black. And it makes which kind of sound? Cow, cow. Okay, all day long it makes the sound cow, cow. So which is this bird? It is a crow. Next, kuhu kuhu is my sound. Everywhere I am found. My sweet voice gives me fame. Dash is my name. So kuhu kuhu. Such type of sound. Which birds make such type of sound? And they are found everywhere. And this bird, a sweet voice gives me fame. That means it has such a sweet sound that it is famous for its sweet sound. Which is this bird? It is the cuckoo. Okay. Next. Dead animals I do eat. making places clean and neat. High up in the dash I fly, vulture is what I am called by. See this. This bird, it eats dead animals. Okay, and makes places clean and neat. Because it eats dead animals, it keeps our environment clean. Okay, because if the dead animals keep lying like this, it will on the ground or anywhere, it will pollute the environment. Okay, there will be bad smell. But these birds, they eat dead animals, and so they clean the places, they keep the places clean and neat. And high up in the sky I fly. So this bird also flies very high in the sky, and its name is vulture. Vulture is what I am called by. Okay, next, my beak is pink, feathers grey, guttergu I go on all day. In houses I make my home, a dash is how I am known. So see this bird, its beak is pink color. Okay, and it makes sound guttergu. All day long it makes such type of sound, and it makes its home in the houses. So which is this bird? It is a pigeon. Next, my beak is very special. I use it like a needle. Stitching leaves I make my home. The dash bird is how I am known. See this. Which is this bird? Its beak is very special. Okay, I use it like a needle. See this, it uses its beak like a needle. Sharp beak it has. Stitching leaves I make my home, and by stitching the leaves it makes its home. The dash bird is how I am known. So which bird it is which stitches its leaves? Weaver bird. This is a weaver bird. Next, in trunk of trees, holes I make, hidden insects I intake. Tuck, 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 I work all day. The woodpecker is what people say. See this bird? In trunk of trees, holes I make. So it makes holes in the trunk of trees. Why do it make holes in the trunk of trees? Because it eats the insects which are present in the trunk of trees. Insects which are hidden in the trunk of trees, it eats those insects. Okay, and when it eats that insects, it makes the sound like tuck, tuck, tuck. Okay, and this bird is the woodpecker. Next, why is there so much noise in the jungle? I just cannot sleep. Which is this bird which is saying that why there is so much noise in the jungle? I cannot sleep. It is an owl. Okay. Next, dear owl, the birds are all praising themselves and shouting. So, this bird is saying to the owl that all the birds are praising themselves. Praising means they are telling their specialities, in which way they are special. Okay, so they are praising themselves and they are shouting and they are making a lot of noise. The owl said, "Stop this hullabaloo. Why are you quarreling?" So, owl, it was angry, and so it said that don't make such a type of sound. And why are you all quarreling? We are all special in our own ways. So all the birds are special in their own ways. Okay, our claws, beaks, feathers and sounds are different, yet we all are birds, right? So though they have different type of claws, beaks, feathers, and they have different types of sound, but yet we are all birds. That is, all are birds. We all, if we all looked alike, ate the same food, and made the same sounds, think how dull the world would be. So, just imagine if all the birds would look the same, they would eat the same type of food, they make the same type of sound. Would the world be beautiful? No, it would be boring. Okay, the world is beautiful because we can enjoy seeing at the different type of birds around us, right? Which of the birds mentioned in the lesson have you seen? Write their names. So here you have to write the names of the birds which you have seen, which are mentioned in this lesson. So here you can write the different birds like eagle, vulture, crow, peacock, pigeon, right? You can write the names of the birds which you have seen. Next, now go outside and look for birds on trees, in water, on the ground, in and around bushes. How many birds could you see? So you have to go outside and look for the birds, the different types of birds which you can see around your house. You can see that some birds are found on trees. Okay, birds like crows, pigeons, sparrows, we can see them on trees. We can see some birds in water. Birds like ducks can be seen in water. Okay, and on ground. On ground also we can see some birds like hen, peacock. Okay, and we also find some types of birds in the bushes. How many birds could you see? And here you have to write the names of birds. How many birds you can see? You can write I saw 12 birds, I saw 13 birds. You can write the number here. In the table, write the names of birds and tick the place where you saw them. If you do not know the names of any bird, then write how you would know it. So see, there is a table here. What you have to do, you have to write the name of the bird here and where you saw it. Whether you saw it in water, there are columns here. In water, on the tree, on the ground, in the house, or flying, right? So here you can write parrot. Where do you see a parrot? A parrot you can see on the tree. Okay. The next you can write a duck. Duck, it is found in water. Peacock, peacock on the ground. Crow, crow you can write on the tree. And eagle, eagle flying in the sky. So in this way you can write the names of the different birds and complete this columns. Okay children, the next part of this lesson we will see in the next video. Thank you.